Hello, this is Nicole Pitchford, and this series of videos is going to be walking through the steps to create digital flowcharts using Lucidchart. The first video in the series, this one here, we're going to be walking through how to set up your Lucidchart account. So in order to do that, the first step is you're going to want to go to your web browser and type in www.lucidchart.com. And once you're here at the website, you'll be prompted, you can come right here or to the top to sign up for a free account. You can sign in if you already have a Google Gmail account. You can use that to sign in by just simply clicking on this button, and it'll walk you through the steps for how you can create your account using that Gmail address. Otherwise, you would go here, type in your email address, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use this email address here. So just type that in the text box and click on Sign Up Free. Once you click here, you're going to be prompted to different payment plans. In order to complete your registration, you're going to first click in the box here and type in your name. And next, you're going to create a password. And click on the complete registration button here or press enter. Once you do that, you're going to come here to the payment plans that there are to offer. But for this particular course, we're just going to start the free account down here at the bottom by clicking on that blue button there. Great. Okay, so now you are into Lucidchart. So this is how you go in and basically just set up a free account. Once you get into it, you're going to first be prompted just to kind of give a little information about yourself so that they can tailor your experience. For this, I'm just going to put student. And we'll put home or personal. Okay, so it's just those two questions to kind of personalize your account. All right, so this is the first step. Be sure to check out the second video in the course for how to get into making a flowchart.